Hello students, good afternoon everyone, and welcome to the classes on business laws. This is the first video of a series of videos where I will be discussing about Competition Act of 2002. Competition Act of 2002. What is competition? This is a very familiar word for most of the people. We might be hearing this word very often. There will be competition between students to achieve marks or to get class first or to get ranks. There will be competition between politicians to win the seats. In the same manner, there will be competition between companies, between sellers, between industries to achieve the market share or to attract the buyers or to improve their sales and to attain profitability. So we are talking about that competition that exists between sellers in a market. What is competition according to Competition Act of 2002? It is a situation in a market. It's a situation. Competition is a situation in a market in which firms or sellers independently strive for the buyer's patronage. It's a market situation where the sellers, they strive, they struggle, they put all their efforts to achieve one particular object. What is that object? That object is to get the buyer's patronage, that is to improve their sales, that is to gain a market share. So, competition is a situation in a market where the sellers strive hard to get a particular market share for a product. Actually, it is the foundation of a very efficiently functioning market system. You might have studied about this in perfect competition concept of economics. If you have to say a market system is functioning perfectly, the basis, the foundation of a effectively functioning marketing system should be competition. If there is no competition in a market, that market system is an utter failure. It will not function properly. There will be domination of few players, or there will be monopoly, there will be cheating going on, there will be extraction going on, or there will be cheating going on through the exorbitant charging of prices from the buyers. So, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ನೇ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೇ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಮು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟಫ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ರೈವಲ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಶತ್ರುತ್ವ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ದೇರ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟೆಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್, the businesses are ready to do anything. They are ready to go to any extent to achieve their objectives of improving sales and profitability. So at certain point of time, they will indulge themselves in unfair trade practices also. They are ready to cheat. They are ready to deteriorate the quality of the products also. They will come up with new schemes which will be intended to cheat the customers. So, with all this being said, do you think competition is good for a market or bad for a market? Should competition be allowed to present in the market, in the business, or should competition be eradicated? The most important motive of competition is self-interest. Why do people compete, or why do industries or business people compete between themselves to earn it, or to maximize their profits, or to improve their market share? But the result of competition is advantageous or beneficial for the society. Because when there are huge number of players, huge number of sellers in the market, automatically there will be a cutthroat competition between them, which will benefit the customer, which will benefit the society. So competition is not an event, it is a process, it is a continuous process. You cannot say there will be competition on a particular day or a particular month or a period. It's a continuous process and it is not automatic, needs to be nurtured. ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ವಾಚ್ಡ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಡ್, there is a danger that certain big firms will eat away all the smaller firms and emerge themselves as a monopolistic situation. So ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ನರ್ಚರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ we are trying to understand the meaning of competition here. Competition is a process of rivalry between business people striving themselves to achieve the object of improving their market share or attaining profitability for their companies. Now, is this competition good or bad? Does this competition have benefits? Yes, let us see the benefits from competition, advantages of competition. ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನಿಂದ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಭ ಇದೆ, ಲಾಭ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಲಾಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನಿಂದ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಕಂಪನೀಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್? ಯು ನೋ, ವೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನ್, companies will spend their resources efficiently and effectively to improve their manufacturing process. They will spend on research and development. They will innovate creative methods of decreasing the cost of production. So when cost saving operations is happening in companies, certainly it is good for the companies for improving profitability in the long run. Whenever there is competition, the quality of products will improve, because you know the customers will get a huge choice of products in the market. He will choose upon the available products. When he is choosing, he will go for the nice quality, good quality, at the same time cheaper price goods also. So he will be balancing between quality and price. So it is a great opportunity for the companies to utilize their resources in cost saving operations. Then, what is the benefit of competition to the consumer? He will get goods at competitive prices. You know, when there is a single seller, the seller dictates the market. Whatever the prices he fixes, that is final. But when there are more number of sellers, when there is a competition between them, the consumer will benefit by getting competitive and cheaper prices for his goods. At the same time, the consumer will have a choice of goods. Let us say, for example, we are going to purchase a smartphone. If there is only a single company manufacturing and selling smartphones in our country, we do not have any choice. We have to purchase that company phone. But if there are lots of sellers and if there is competition existing in the market, we will have n number of market players so that we can choose between the products. So choice of goods is a benefit for the consumer, and goods purchased at a competitive and lower prices is also a benefit to the consumer from competition. And even the benefits, competition extend to the government also, because when there are more number of industries, when there are more number of business people, there will be more operations, more employment and more revenue generation for the government in the form of taxes and other things. So government will also benefit, and also the government need not worry about price fixation. It need not control the prices of products, because when there is competition, the competitors will automatically fix the prices for economical pricing system. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಲಾಭವೇ ಇದೆ. ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ, ಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟಾಗಿ, ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಆಗದಿರ ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ಗೂ ಲಾಭ ಇದೆ. ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸೇ ಇಫ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಎ ಸೋಪ್, ಯು ನೋ, ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಂಡ್ರೆಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ soaps are available in the market because of competition. Otherwise, he has to stick on to only one particular brand which is available, right? So it gives a scope for a huge variety of choice of products for the consumer, and also at a cheaper prices, and the government generates revenue from competition. So all these benefits will be accrued or attained only if there is competition. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಫೇರ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ದೀಸ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಇನ್ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್, very less number of companies manufacturing cars, so there was no choice for the consumers. They have to go for that model of cars only. Even today, MTNL company is a monopoly. There is no competition in that area. Airlines, there is competition. Indian Airlines, Jet, Sahara, Kingfisher, we have number of airlines, so there is competition. And Indian Railways, there is no competition. Again, the monopoly of the central government continues in Indian Railways. Now let us proceed and see the types of competition. There will be two types of competition. One is price competition and the second one is non-price competition. Price competition is the one where the players, the sellers, the marketers, the business people, they try to lower the price of their products. They try to decrease the prices of their products and they are winning the customers. So the competition is only between price. The competition is only in the area of price. Which company is having lesser prices, they think that the buyers will patronage those particular product or that particular company. So price competition is a one where the sellers will try to win the customers by lowering price. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಟ್ರೂ, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ದೆನ್ ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸಿಂಗ್, ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಸರ್ವೀಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್, but the customers are attracted by advertisements, sales promotion, marketing and other after sale services. Ways of competition, you can take it as fair competition and unfair competition. Fair competition is nothing but healthy competition. Unfair competition is cutthroat competition. Fair competition is good for the business, good for the society. Unfair competition is not good in the long run. Those companies indulging themselves in unfair competition, they will disappear in a very short period of time. Fair competition means producing quality goods. You should not compromise in terms of quality. Compete ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು, ಡಿಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಜನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನೇ ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ದಿರ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಫೇರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫೇರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೈವಲ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು ಆಗಿಬಿಡೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋದು, ಆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಯಾರೂ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಸಮ್, ಕಾರ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸನ್ನು, ಫ್ರಾಡುಲೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಫೇರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ವಿನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಫೇರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. Unfair competition will not survive in the long run. Only those companies which involve themselves in fair competition will have a market share in the company. So that's about what is competition and types of competition. In the next video, we'll talk about the Competition Act of 2002.